Magical potion making, a creative play adventure for kids. Ever dreamed of brewing your own sparkly, bubbling, superpowered potion? Get ready to unleash your inner wizard, because today, we're diving into the enchanting world of magical potion making. First, we need our ingredients. Don't worry, no dragon scales or unicorn tears required. We'll use everyday items from around the house and garden. Think colorful flowers, shiny pebbles, fragrant herbs, and maybe even a sprinkle of glitter for extra sparkle. Remember to ask a grown-up for help when gathering ingredients, especially if you're venturing into the garden. Now let's create our potion station. Find a safe and sturdy table or surface. Cover it with an old tablecloth or newspaper to protect it from any spills. Gather your mixing bowls, spoons, measuring cups, and containers for your potions. Clear jars and bottles work great. A little bit of organization makes the magic flow easier. There's no one right way to make a magical potion. The best part is using your imagination and experimenting, but here are some ideas to get you started. Add water as your base. Then, mix in your gathered ingredients, stir, swirl, and watch the magic happen. You can even add food coloring for extra vibrant potions. This is where the real magic happens. What kind of potion are you creating? A potion of invisibility? A potion of super strength? Give your potion a name and tell a story about its powers. The more imaginative you are, the more fun you'll have. Don't forget to label your potions with their magical properties. While potion making is super fun, safety is always important. Never taste your potions, even if they look delicious. Some ingredients might not be safe to eat. Always wash your hands after potion making. And be sure to clean up your potion station when you're finished. A tidy wizard is a happy wizard! Now that you've created your amazing potions, it's time to share the magic. Show your creations to your family and friends. Tell them about the powers of your potions and the stories behind them. You can even create a potion-making party and invite others to join in the fun. Wasn't that an enchanting adventure? We hope you had a blast creating your own magical potions. Now it's your turn to spread the magic. Grab your ingredients, set up your potion station, and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to share your amazing potion creations with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see what magical concoctions you come up with. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative adventures.